And then today, the last one for the cardiac system that I'll be covering is heart valve auscultation, which heart valves can be heard at each of the indicated positions. So number one would say is the aorta, number two, an atrium or ventricle, then number three, left atrium, and then number four should be the apex. Number one is aortic, number two is tricuspid, number three is pulmonary valve, and then number four is mitral valve. Just be aware of the question they're asking, which heart valves. So just remember to answer the question, not go divergent.